Okay, what we're going to work on now is figuring out what the missing forces are if we have the net force. So we're basically just going backwards to what we did in number 1. So if I look at this, A and B, I have a net force of 0. So net force of 0 means that the forwards X direction and the up and down Y direction need to be balanced. So I do the same thing I did. I do an X, I do a Y. But now I know what the net force is. So my net force is 0. And that's equal to forward forces, which is 50, minus backward forces, which in this case is A. Okay, so all you have to do is add A to the other side. That gives you A equals 50, and that would be the answer for A. Okay, Y direction, same thing. 0 is the net force, equals up, which is B, minus the down, which is 200. Add the 200 over, you get B is 200 newtons. And these should make sense because we're doing balanced forces because there's no net force. Now that's not going to be the case on these other ones. On these other ones, they do have net force. So this one has a net force of 900 up, 60 to the left, so on and so forth. Do the same thing. Set up an X, set up a Y. The net force equals up minus down, or right minus left, whatever you do with that. Okay? All right, try the other 3 situations for number 2 now.